Hello everyone, welcome back to Beverly Stunning Creations. In this DIY I am going to complete this candle holder that was left over from the previous candle holder video that I did, okay? So yeah, we're going to go ahead and complete that. And I have two other glass pieces that I want to turn into candle holders as well. 1 and 2. So we have two of the same glasses from Dollar Tree. I think they were anywhere from $3 to $5. I can't remember. I don't think they were $6, but they are well worth it. What do you guys think? So we are going to do 3 separate candle holders. I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can decorate them, but honestly there's a million ways that you can do them, okay? I've already cleaned these glasses and removed the sticker from the bottom, so I'm just going to go ahead and move these aside, and we are going to finish this piece. Okay guys, so let's get started. We left off here, but off camera I went ahead and added some of my clear beads. I added 6 because I want to add some chandelier pendants or maybe a garland to it to make it more decorative. With this particular piece, I'm thinking more of a formal candle holder, glam, something for a wedding, for a nice party or anniversary, something like that. So yeah, so with this piece, the first thing we are going to do is add some of these tiny little vase fillers. Guys, I used these a long time ago, way before I even started using crushed glass. And it turned out really, really pretty. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I have this clear bowl from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to pour them inside. Ooh, that was fun. Now, in the past I have used regular clear glue, and I have also used Mod Podge. But this time around, to speed things up, I think I want to use some of my UV resin. And this is what we have. So what I'm going to do is spread some of my UV resin on here, put the beads on, and then I'm going to use my UV light to set it. So let's just clamp this here. Normally I would use a brush, but the brushes really take a beating from the UV resin. So I'm just going to try and use this little spatula to spread the UV resin on. So let's just go. After I show you this, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my air purifier and put on my mask. I've never done this. This is a test, so hopefully it works. Just pat it down. And wherever it's not sticking, we can come back and add some more to it later. So now I'm going to turn on my light and just set it. That's pretty good. Let's see. It's on there. All right. A few little pieces fall off here and there, but yeah. Okay guys, so let me get everything situated. Turn on my fan. Okay. And now I'm going to put on my mask and add some more of the UV resin to my candle holder. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. So what I'm going to do is find a small paintbrush that I really don't care for and just fill in those little spaces with more of the UV resin, and then sprinkle on some more of the vase filler on top of the UV resin. I need to put some here too. So let me find a paintbrush and I'll show you how that's done, and then I'll do the rest off camera and then come put some UV resin right on top of here. Take my brush Dip it into the resin and just put it wherever I need it. I need some right in here. Alright guys, so that's all that I'm going to do. Like I said, I'll do the rest off camera and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back and this is what we have so far. I really like how it's coming along. Wait until you see it light up. Wait till you see it light up. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so next up I have some strips of the diamond bling. And I want to go ahead and just add it to the base and around the trim here. So on this one I have 2 rows. And I'm just going to start here. It could actually take maybe 3 or 4 rows, but 2 is going to work out just fine. So we have that now. And now I'm just going to take 1 row and just go around the bottom. So now we are going to take some of this garland. This is acrylic. You can find this in glass as well. So what you're going to do is just take your jump ring and open it. And then push that through your hoop like that. Just like so. And we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to take that ring. Okay, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that, isn't that cute? This is what we have now. Remember I said that this candle holder reminds me of something that should be used in a wedding or an anniversary, you know, something loving. So, since these are acrylic, I found some acrylic hearts. Unfortunately, I only had 5 and I need 6. This is what they look like. So I'm gonna take 3 of my hearts and then I'm gonna take 3 of the acrylic chandelier pendants like I had before. And I'm just gonna go ahead and connect them to each one of these beads. So we have this first heart. I'm gonna do the same thing, open up the jump ring. We have that one. And now we'll take one of the teardrop shapes and put it next. Sometimes you just have to work with what you have. And they don't have to be the same length. Your hearts need to be the same length and your drops need to be the same length. The 2 different ones don't have to be the same length. So now let's add our last chandelier pendant. So yeah, look at that, isn't it cute? I really love how that turned out, guys. I might add some bling here, but I'm not sure. It really doesn't need it because we have so much going on right here, but I just wanted to add something to the base. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is go off camera and add something around here. Maybe some diamonds, maybe some flowers, I don't know. But we'll definitely be putting a candle on the inside. I'm gonna light it up and let you guys see what it looks like. And now I present to you my beautiful and elegant candle holder that I created using mostly Dollar Tree products. As I mentioned earlier, I think it's perfect for a wedding, for an anniversary, for any special occasion, as well as gift giving and everyday home decor. And because of how it's made, you can personalize it. As you can see here, I simply hot glued some of those tiny diamonds from Dollar Tree to the center of some flowers from Dollar Tree as well, and then placed them around the base of the candle holder. Please comment below if this is something that you would be interested in making yourself. If so, is there anything that you would change about it? And as for the other two candle holders, I'm sorry, but I did not want this video to run too long. So stay tuned for part 2, which should be out in a couple of days. Okay, so this completes my video. And if you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. If you don't have time to comment, then leave your favorite emoji. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.